for a ride adventure.
Look at that.
This is insane. None of this should be underwater, just put some perspective. It's all dry land.
Look at the pavilion.
Yeah. Here's the park.
You got it closed. You can't go through.
Whoa, look at that!
I missed it, Jake. Too late. I can't see. It's way too.
That was so much.
There's the pond overflowing.
My. I think we're under a flood.
You think so?
Jake? Whatever gave you that idea?
The thought that I'm stupid.
Oh my god, that's coming over the road in a few. That's gonna be over the road in a short bit.
Yeah.
I've never seen it that high on the rocks ever.
Look how dark.
That's almost all over all the rocks.
Look at that.